Hey guys, each step is important. Don't skip any steps. I am going to show you how to fix fault in non-paged area problem in Windows 11. In this step, click on Search, then type Control Panel. Click here to open it. On this window, click on System. Now click on Advanced System Settings. It will open System Properties. And from Advanced tab, click on Settings. Then go to Advanced tab. Click on Change. Uncheck this option. Select No Paging File. And click on Set. Select Yes. And save all changes. Close all windows one by one. In this step, click on Search icon. Type CMD. From the search results, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. These commands are very important to fix this problem. To avoid mistakes, you will get all commands in description below. Copy them and simply right-click on CMD to paste it, and hit Enter to execute them for each command. At the last, type sfc/scannow. And hit Enter. It will take some time to complete its process. Wait for it. And finally restart your system. That's it guys. Your problem is solved.